Ice candy, mama.
Hindi nga ba ice candy? Changi? Tagpila? How much?
5.
Tag 5 ang ice candy. How much money do you have? You count your money?
Only 2 money.
Look at the number. What's the number of your money? Number? What number is this?
May count ko pa siya. 1, 2, only 2?
Only
Where's the 3 1?
Where's the 3 1? It's 15 pesos. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Hoy, be careful. Te. Ice candy. Di ba kilon mo? Ice candy sa ka-ice na yun. Ano ba kilon mo? Ice candy and agugo. And agugo.
Ice candy.
Ay na. Ano, agugo.
Agugo. Natakde na kan ice candy.
Amo na gani ang ice candy ng agugo.
Bye guys. My baby. Hi.